Hello.
Hello. Where do you want to go?
To Penn Station, please.
Okay. Get in, please.
Thank you.
Do you want the fast way or the cheaper way?
The fast way, please. I have a train in 40 minutes.
No problem. We will be there in 20 minutes.
That's great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is this your first time in New York?
Yes, I just arrived today.
Oh, welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
Nice. I love Italian food.
Me too?
Are you going to another city now?
Yes, I'm going to Philadelphia. I have a friend there.
Philadelphia is nice. Do you speak English well?
A little. I'm learning now.
Your English is good.
Thank you. That's kind. How much will the ride cost?
Around $15, maybe a little more.
Okay, that's fine. I have cash.
You can also pay by card if you want.
Cash is okay.
Do you need help with your bag at the station?
No, thank you. I have only one bag.
All right, we are almost there.
That was fast.
Yes, no traffic today. That's lucky. Here we are, Penn Station. The total is $15.50.
Here's $18. Please keep the change.
Thank you. That's very kind.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Have a safe trip to Philadelphia.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.